Crypto market is riding hot. What you're watching in front of you is that the market pushed higher. Bitcoin came close to 66,500. And what do you see? The pattern, the structure, everything is aligning. You're watching a lot of these small caps starting to burst. Long-term breakout, micro consolidation, a continuation breakout. Now, from that call which we put in here and the group, it's already up 57% in like 10 days. That's a decent move. If you're someone looking at XRP, now this particular date, October 7th, is important. The chances of appealing is going to go down by that moment. So if you wait till that point, you are watching how the whales are preparing for that. Are they preparing to move out of it? Are they preparing to double down? Because the fundamentals are not slowing down. The way money can enter into that, now that's not by the small investors, it's by the accredited investors. And it's a trust for giants to slowly trickle in their capital. And if you're in and you want to be among those giants in few months to a year, think about this. The market is giving you all those opportunity. We actually closed another trade and entered another. So the equation actually moved a bit further, which was again close to 10%, but it was in a day. And now you're looking for something bigger because the market is showing you something miraculous happened here. And a continuation pattern is emerging in Bitcoin dominance. That doesn't happen every month. It comes in every now and then. So at that time, if you're about to take that opportunity, you're going to win this equation. Welcome to the Scientific Investor family, where the normal retail guys get to learn how to become the next top 10% of this world. You go back a week and look at all of those opportunity calls I posted out for you guys. If you see those right now and you come back into the market and look at them, you see almost all of them are up 30, 40, 50% up in a week. And it's just getting started. So the opportunity calls, the breakout calls in a lot of different assets, they're just starting to materialize in a week. It's not a long period of waiting. The market is starting to respond faster. So you're looking at XRP, not a small cap coin. You want to see how a large cap altcoin is behaving. As of now, even though large caps are starting to move, XRP didn't. It's still in a consolidated range for last 14 days. So 2 weeks we haven't done anything. We're still flat. We're not moving. The equation is clean. But if you do look at the total altcoin market, it is starting to break higher. So watch which industry is attracting capital flow. Say payments, when you do look at it, you not only look at the large cap initially, you look at the small caps too. So the small caps in the payments are starting to show you that I am about to move. Okay, fine. So I want to see when they moved last time with the breakout, which was Feb 2024, did XRP participate in that equation along with them? If you go back and look at each of those pumps, like June 2023, XRP did join the party. Then Feb 2024 is the question which we are asking. XRP did join that party. So if the micro cap is already showing you money is starting to enter into payments, yeah, the large caps will be slow. First, you will see the small caps, the medium caps bursting through, and then the large caps following it. That is coming here. We're watching how the capital is slowly pushing down or trickling down into the altcoin market. While you remain there, keep in mind the assets gaining volume is something you need to look at. If the volume on that particular day is increasing substantially, someone big is entering. Look for the structure, look for the breakout. If you understand the measured move, you are going to ride it. You don't have to step out. Say you pick a random asset from here, say hook or dodo, whichever. We'll actually pick dodo here and see if it respects the market. So you're going in there, you're looking at it, and you're like, okay, that's a 3-day chart, long-term chart. You haven't actually changed the structure completely, but you're trying to put in a new high. You already did. So next high, wherever it forms, most likely we are forming that, it's good. Then the low is going to be the critical point. If you form a higher low, look for a macro breakout. The macro breakout is important. Why? Because that is where you see whales entering. So just because one asset is running, don't enter in it. Look for what the structure shows. If it's something like what you see now, that's a medium-term structure, arguing it's about to break higher and it's coming soon. And if it does, this is your measured move. Now, depending on, whether you're too optimistic about that breakout or conservative, you'll have to take the measured move based on that. For which you look at the MACD, you look at the RSI, you look at the moving average to the price and understand whether this is a aggressive opportunity or conservative. So if you are going highly levered in an aggressive opportunity, that makes sense. But if you're going in highly levered in a conservative opportunity, that does not make sense. So understand what game you're playing and understand which asset you're selecting. So once you do understand those assets and you enter them, now right till the target, or at least till that point where you know you're compounding enough. And if there is a negative sign, obviously you'll have to move out. Or only if you see an opportunity which is much, much better than the current one you're riding. With the signals, with the indicators, with the price action, with the momentum, include everything there. And that's exactly what you're watching here in the Scientific Investor family. Getting all those updates along with all these trades whenever I take them. So if you want to participate in them, use the link in the description and join the Scientific Investor family so that you don't miss out on the compounding effect. You don't miss out to 10x your portfolio once, which is already almost done, and the next one is about to start. Most likely in a week, we'll start the next set. You want to join? Join the party. Now, if you're watching this and you haven't smashed the like button yet, please do that for me. Let's continue. If you do look at the understanding of what the fundamental and the current affairs, the new side of the equation is doing, it is kind of neutral for XRP because of the SEC. Will they appeal? No one knows. Can they do that? Yes, they can. So the odds of them doing that, this is going to be a cloud above the price of XRP till 7th. So you still have to wait and see how we respond. But how the market responds, you can look at it, say that's a small cap. Now you want to go on to a medium cap. You jump on to say XDC. And if we do take the charts from say Bitfinex, I think we should have better chart. We had the bullish divergence. We had the call out saying watch for a breakout. Now we did break higher. And what are you watching? It's not just the small caps in the payments starting to show you a breakout. It is also a medium cap. Now, the breakout is here. A retest and a bounce is the perfect entry. But no one knows if that gives you the textbook retest. But you do understand the long-term levels would be here. So the first bounce, it is going to be decent. But the level you should be watching is this. Because that breakout would argue the next big run up is starting. And the small caps are already agreeing. Now the medium cap are starting to align. If you do see breakouts, use it. So now you look at gold or you look at the macro side of the equation, it's going up. Gold is at the highest level it has been. And you put it on a monthly chart and you see how bullish that is. Something wrong is happening in the economy. You can just see and feel that just from the gold chart. Or you want to look at silver, it's fine. You go on a monthly and look at silver. One thing which is so easy is your RSI on a monthly. Whenever it shows you I'm about to enter into this range, the price action has done enormously well. Maybe 80%, maybe 100%, but you're going to get that. And then you come down into the dollar. On a monthly, what do you see in dollar? Dollar is slowly breaking below this. That's 105. That's not bad, because whenever you saw dollar breaking to the downside in this equation, we have always seen how crypto market behaved. And that has been net positive for the crypto market. You just take this breakout here. That was 2017 July. You had a retest, you had a rejection, but you saw while all of that happened, crypto market went nuts. You want to compare it with even XRP, you see this clearly. Back then, XRP went parabolic during the phase. Now, these guys don't give you the full chart, so we'll go to the market cap. Okay, back then, XRP went parabolic, went nuts during which time horizon? 2017, April towards December. You come here, you look at 2017, April towards December. 2017, yeah, here we go. April, May, you are starting to push to the downside, break to the downside, retest, and get rejected. That's a sweet spot in the market. Because if you do look at this is where you're coming for the support. And that's a long way. Yeah, even though on a monthly it doesn't look like a long way, historically it's the bottom level where you go nuts. If you don't understand that, look at 2021, the next time when crypto rallied. The last push to the downside in dollar and the consolidation was all it took for the crypto market to run up. But the tough part is, yeah, to reach there, you had to wait with enormous amount of patience. Now that phase is getting over. More of the discipline phase is restarting. We saw that earlier this year and we understood that and we used it. Yeah, perfect. Now it's time to do that again at a bigger scale, at a larger scale, because you're going for the wave 2 and most of the assets, and dollar is getting rejected and giving you the continuation pattern to the downside. So the dollar is pushing lower, gold is pushing higher, crypto market is pushing higher at a time when the Bitcoin dominance is trying to break to the downside. Yes, it did break to the downside yet, but you're looking at a pattern which we have watched historically. I mean, this pattern is something which we like to see, because once it breaks to the downside, there is no stopping this. It's gonna drop like a stone, which would give you an easy thought process. Also gonna go mind-boggling run up. Go for a mind-boggling run up. There is no doubt in that. So you stand here, you stand tall, you ride it. Have patience, have discipline. There is no other way to win this. If you want support, be a part of the SI family. And if you receive value, again, smash that like button for me. I'll meet you guys on the next video. Bye for now.